I went from this to this in just a few months. And no, it wasn't any surgeries or any procedures. It was just face yoga. And I see a lot of face yoga online these days, but it's so important to do the right moves. And so today I'm going to show you my 3 top face yoga moves that have made the biggest impact on my skin and my face. So let's get started. So one of the biggest complaints that I hear is the lines and wrinkles on the forehead area. So this is my number 1 face yoga move that you can do to really reduce the tension and reduce the lines and wrinkles on your forehead. So you're going to place your index finger here, slightly above your eyebrow, and you're going to rest your thumb on your cheek area here. And then we're going to gently start pulling down our fingers as you're trying to lift your eyebrow here, and gently open your eyes wide. So it looks like this. Now, this is going to create some tension here in our forehead area, but really lift and strengthen the entire frontalis muscle here. We're going to hold here for a few seconds and then release. So we're going to do this 2 more times. We're going to slide our fingers down here, right parallel to our eyebrows. Rest your thumb here. Now gently start pressing down with your index fingers down as you're raising your eyebrows and opening your eyes wide like this. So keep here for a few seconds. Take a nice deep breath here. And this is really lifting, toning, and strengthening our forehead here. Wonderful. Let's do this 1 more time. Press your fingers here right above. Rest your thumbs here on your cheek. Slide them down a little bit here and open up your eyes wide. Doing this exercise daily, if you can, is really going to make a difference for your forehead. And over time, you're going to see a softening of the lines and wrinkles here on the forehead area. Wonderful. So the next tip, what we're going to do here is really working on the eye area. So what we're going to do is make an O shape with your mouth, like this. You're going to look up, and you're going to start fluttering your eyes. So we're going to start like this. Look up. Fluttering your eyes like that. This is really going to work on the entire upper eyelid, lifting the upper eyelid, and also reducing the hollows underneath our eyes here. We're going to do this 1 more time. Place your fingers here for support. Make an O shape with your mouth and look up and start fluttering your eyes. Wonderful. Let's do this 1 more time. This is such a great exercise for really lifting, toning, strengthening the eye muscle here, and really reducing any lines and wrinkles on our eye area as well. Great work. So the third exercise, we're going to sit straight, look straight ahead, and then you're gently going to raise and move your head, slightly tilting it up and out a little bit, moving it all the way out. Keep here for a few seconds. And then we're going to go back to normal, and we're going to go on the other side. Move it all the way out and up. Now, a little pro tip here, if you want to go a little bit extra, you want to take your tongue and at 1 beat per second, you want to go up and down like this. And this is really going to work on the entire lower part of the face. It's going to work on the neck muscles here to lift and tone the necks and reducing any sagging jaw and the jowls as well. Okay, so let's do this again. Let's move out and up. And I'm going to do this last time by lifting and kind of putting the tip of my tongue at the roof of the mouth here at 1 beat per second. Wonderful. So there you have it, my best face yoga moves. And if you do this weekly or daily, if you can, you're going to see a difference in a matter of weeks, but stay consistent with it. If you're curious and want to see more of rituals, of face yoga techniques, make sure to subscribe and check out my other videos as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.